Hey yo guys, what is up? It is JT back for another YouTube video. I've been gone for some time, but I am back and I am here with a TikTok Tuesday. I'm starting a new series. It's going to be TikTok tips, tricks, and ways to help you grow. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about how to make money, work with brands, and get brand deals in the first place. So let's get straight into it. Also, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, click it down below. Alright, the first way you guys are going to be able to make money on TikTok, a lot of people know this, but a lot of people also don't, which is very surprising, is going live. Here's a little disclaimer, a lot of creators don't actually go live to make money. A lot of them go live to create a better and stronger fan base, but to also really connect with their fans, talk to them, and get to know them better. A lot of big creators used to go live literally all the time, and a lot of them stopped. And it is for this reason and this reason only. A few months ago, TikTok announced this. And this changed a lot of creators' minds on going live. Because you had to be 18 to live stream and 18 to receive gifts, it eliminated a lot of creators from actually getting gifts, and the ones that could get gifts couldn't even make money anymore. And for a solid like 2 or 3 weeks, nobody was making money on TikTok. Which, to be honest, I think it was a good thing. It made it so that when creators did go live, they could actually connect with their fans and not worry about the money that they were getting. But recently, that's all changed. Creators are now making money again, so a lot of younger kids are on TikTok and gifting to bigger creators. Don't get me wrong, TikTok creators like me and a lot of other creators don't have a job outside of TikTok. Social media, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube are our jobs. Anyway, I'm getting a little bit sidetracked. I genuinely feel like every single episode that we do, my camera dies. Okay, so back to what I was saying. If you guys are upcoming creators, you want to live stream. It not only connects you with your fans, but you can also make a little bit of donation money. And with that donation money, you should not be using it for yourself. You should be using it to up your channel. If that means getting better lighting, getting a better phone, getting a camera, you want to do all those things with your donation money to make your live streams and your TikToks in general better. Okay, moving on to step number 2. So this rarely happens, but when it does happen, you get a very big paycheck. When big brands or companies want to buy your videos. When you're on TikTok and you post videos, you have all the rights to your videos. So let's say you film a video at like Target, Walmart, or some big convenience store. Somebody who's working at, let's say Walmart for example, might see that video. And they're coming out with an advertisement and they need kids that look exactly like you and are doing the exact same thing that you're doing in the video. Instead of having an entire shoot day, they might just buy the video straight off of you. Again, this very rarely happens, but when it does, big companies will pay a lot of money to get your guys' videos. So when you do go to Target, Walmart, or any big convenience store, make it obvious that you are there. Put it in the caption or maybe film it right outside the entrance of the actual store. And surprisingly, it happens more often than not. I've had multiple friends that this has happened to them and they make a load of money. Okay, moving on to option number 3. Now, I kind of separate brand deals into 3 different parts. That's why there's 5 steps and there's 3 steps for brand deals specifically. I break it down into these 3 categories: sound promos, actual product brand deals, and app or company brand deals. These are 3 very different things, but they all fall under the exact same category. So let's start off with sound promos. When you are upcoming in TikTok and your views are very good, artists might reach out to you. And they are very, very, very big artists, and they will say something like, "Can you use my newest song in one of your TikTok videos?" I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but TikTok literally controls the sound market right now. So a lot of big artists want smaller creators to use their sounds to hopefully have one of those videos blow up and send it out to millions of different people. So if you are an upcoming creator and an artist reached out to you, you want to know your worth. Instead of doing something for free, maybe ask for like 25 or 30 bucks. And I am 99% confident that they might throw in a little bit of cash to get their song out there. Now going on to actual product brand deals. I'm sure a lot of you have seen product brand deals, but you haven't actually known it. I recently did a product brand deal, and here's the video.
And we got back to my house and I grabbed out some applesauce. Which
I kind of just snuck it in at the end, but it worked out. A lot of TikTokers also do brand deals for teeth whitening companies. So when people reach out to you on TikTok, your email, or Instagram DMs, try to negotiate with them. But product brand deals happen very, very often. So if a brand or product company reaches out to you, negotiate with them, figure out what they want, figure out what you want, and meet in a happy middle. That is my advice for product brand deals. And finally, our last tip for the day, company and shout out brand deals. So I know this might not make sense to you, but when it comes to a company reaching out to you, they might want to promote their company instead of their products. For example, an app might reach out to you. And this app is just a fun game, but they want to promote it on TikTok. And they don't just have to reach out to you. You can also reach out to a bunch of apps, brands, and everything in your Instagram DMs. I highly suggest this because you might get a reply from one or two of the brands. But these promos and videos don't normally do very well on TikTok unless they are actually sponsored by TikTok. But again, if this does happen to you, reply or reach out to some people. You might be surprised on how many people actually reply to you. And then when it comes to shoutouts, people might ask for a shoutout or pay to actually get a shoutout from you on your TikTok. Again, you can decide the price that you are worth, but when you do give someone a shoutout on your TikTok, it does give them a lot of followers and a lot of views. So just when you're growing, know your worth, know how much you want to charge them, and know your rates. Anyway, that is going to wrap up the video for today, guys. If you did enjoy this video and want to see more TikTok Tuesdays, consider subscribing and also giving this video a like. It really does help out the algorithm and help us push this to the recommended page. Again, you guys are amazing. I'm sorry I've been gone for so long, but I am back. Alright guys, my name is JT Casey, you are the Casey Gang, and I will see you on the next TikTok Tuesday or maybe on the weekend. Anyway, y'all have an amazing rest of your day. Alright guys, I love you so much. Peace out.